our bespoke estate agent for EXP, and today we are in front of this beautiful 3-bed, 3-storey semi-detached property in Lawley, Telford. We're literally only 5 minutes drive away from Telford Town Centre. We've got the Wrekin directly behind us if you enjoy your walks, and we're very close to some of the local amenities in the area, and we've got some good schools located nearby as well. We've also got the M54 junction 6 and 5, which are not too far away, so you've got great transport links to the surrounding areas. Now this property itself, this was built in 2018. On the ground floor we've got a kitchen diner to the front leading into the lounge at the rear, with patio doors going out onto the rear garden. Just behind the property we've got a single detached garage with parking spaces for 2 vehicles off-road, and then going up onto the first floor we've got a double bedroom, a single bedroom and the family bathroom, and then up onto the second floor we've got the main bedroom with a dedicated wardrobe and dressing area and ensuite. So let's get you inside this property and take a look around. Follow me. Okay, so that's it. You've had a look around this property. I really do hope you've enjoyed the tour of this 3-bed semi in Lawley. If you are interested in the property, then feel free to reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on. You can contact me on 077 89 647 226. My email is mark.garner@exp.uk.com. Well, that's it for now. Again, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. See you soon.